Hi, everyone. Today we're going to be discussing the website and database called the Human Metabolome Database. This is a database that lists all kinds of information regarding metabolites. Metabolites are just small molecules that you find in biological systems. So things that are not proteins and not genes, those are large biomolecules. These are all small molecules. So something very simple like glucose or alanine. These are small molecules. And again, those are called metabolites. This database has a list of all of the metabolites that are known to be found in not only the human, but in other living organisms such as plants and other animals. This has a lot of functionality as a database, but we're really just going to be focusing on this search function up here and looking for particular small molecular metabolites using this. So here I'm going to do a test and look for alanine. You'll see that a familiar search result window will come up and it will give you any hits based on the search you put in. So I'm interested in this case in just the amino acid alanine, and it's showing a stereochemical form. That's what the D is representing, but I'm going to look at this structure. When I click on the link, it's going to take me to this page of detailed information for the particular structure. It will give you a summary of the actual small molecule metabolite. It will give you the structure, chemical structure of it here. It gives you any synonyms. Here are all other names that you sometimes can find this particular amino acid named by. And if you want to know the correct chemical name, the IUPAC name, you have to look here in the list. So this is the IUPAC official name for this structure. You can find its molecular weight, both the average molecular weight and the monoisotopic molecular weight. This is important for utilizing information on mass spectrometry, which we will not be doing today, but just so you are aware. If you scroll down, you'll find even more characteristic information about your compound of interest. You can find where it is found. So things like biofluids, you can find alanine in, or information about what type of animals or organisms will also have this metabolite in them. You'll find chemical information like its melting point, its solubility, and lastly, you can find pathway information. If I scroll down here, there are external links to pathway information, and there should also be here we are, external links here to pathway information for that particular compound. Now, the one that I want you to look for, there's a lot listed here, is an external link to another website called KEGG. I'm going to click on this. KEGG will also show you information about the particular metabolite, but in addition, it shows you pathways that this metabolite can be found in. So here are pathways, metabolite pathways, that involve that small molecule. Here is one pathway. This is the alanine metabolism pathway, where alanine is found. And all these pathway maps are showing you is other small molecules that your small molecule of interest can be converted into, and kind of the path that they take to convert. So here we're seeing that alanine can be converted into this D-allyl D-alanine. And we also see that it can be converted into pyruvate. So all of the named things where there are circles are actual other metabolites along the pathway. These are like stops along the metro. And the information in boxes, these numbered boxes, they tell you what enzyme does this job. It's kind of like what train you need to take to get between destination A and destination B. So to go from alanine to D-allyl D-alanine, you have to use this enzyme. I'm going to click on it, and it will give me the name of the enzyme. Right here at the top where it says definition is the name of that enzyme, D-alanine D-alanine ligase. This is the enzyme that does the conversion between those two small molecules. So again, here is our pathway map in KEGG with alanine. And if I go back, here is the main HMDB website. So this is the information you will need to complete your particular worksheet, but I also suggest that you play around. There's tons of information in both HMDB and in KEGG on various compounds.